Hey guys, and welcome back to my final classroom setup video. So yeah, if you haven't seen my last two videos then I'll link them down below, but today is the final video. We go back to school next week. I actually can't believe how quick the holidays have gone. But yeah, I've come in today, just want to get everything done now, ready for next week. The first thing I think I'm going to do is put the borders on the displays. So if you've watched the other videos, you've seen that I haven't got any border on any of the displays. But yeah, I just ended up ordering some myself. So I've got blue, white, and then purple. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do first.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're nothing in this world can make me feel the way.
Okay, so I've hung these up. I've put the months for the birthdays up. I'm just cutting out this title, Who's Here Today. I put up that writing sign, but that's not finished yet, it's not straight. I just need to work out how to do that. I've done quite a lot of the borders. I've put these numbers up for the self-sign-in, so the Who's Here Today is going to go at the top, but these numbers are way too big. I printed off these and I need to laminate them again, which is really annoying. But yeah, getting there now. Just going to finish cutting these out and then laminate these.
You do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do.
I've just printed all of these really cute quotes and I'm going to put them up on one of my boards. I didn't really know what to do with it, so I just saw these on Pinterest and thought they would be good for the display. Then I've also just printed these. These are going to be my welcome banner. I just need to cut this bit off. I made these on PicMonkey. I literally just selected a background and then just typed over the top of it. You can probably do it on Canva. And then I printed some smaller numbers because obviously I realised that these are way too big because they are not going to be able to reach up there. So when they come in the morning, they're going to get their name and then stick it on a number, and that's going to be their self-sign-in. But yeah, they're obviously not going to be able to reach all the way up there, so that's really annoying. But yeah, I've been here literally 5.5 hours and I've hardly done anything. It literally looks the same. Well, no, I have done quite a lot, but it just looks the same. Right. I'm going to power through now. Friends on the big screen. I'm ready to power through. Got my smoothie. So yeah, this is the board that I'm going to use for these quotes. So hard in here because there's actually, I think there's only actually 3 real boards. So that one, actually no. There's only 2 real boards. All of the others I've just used the wall and it's so hard to make them straight, so I've kind of given up now. That's kind of straight, but yeah, Gonna put the quotes up now.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun, side by side.
Right, obviously this isn't finished. I either need to spread them out a bit more or print a few more quotes. Okay, they're all up now. I changed them to be straight. I did have them at an angle, but I thought it looked a bit weird. So yeah, I put them straight. I might take them off and laminate them because I just think they'll probably get a bit scruffy like that. But we don't actually have any laminating pouches. I might have to buy some. But yeah, happy with that so far. Next job is just to cut out all of these.
Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So I've just laminated all of this. Luckily I had enough laminating pouches. But yeah, cut these out. I'm going to put them up there. I need to take the numbers down. I need to cut all of this out, but yeah, I'm running out of time now. I really need to get a move on. So here's my self-sign-in display. So I need to put Velcro on here, and then I'm going to have their names, which I think... Oh, my shoes are very squeaky. I think I'm going to put their names on here if they fit, and then when they come in they can just take them off and then stick them up there. But yeah, this one's got a border on now. Still need to sort this stuff here. This one has a border on, and I put my writing area banner up. So I'm probably gonna stick a few like writing prompts on here, and I'll definitely stick some of their writing up once they've done some. And then book corner or reading corner just looks the same. Haven't got round to doing my look who got caught reading display yet, so I need to do that when I get back. I've popped this up here. I'm not sure what display this is going to be yet, but yeah, I'll wait and do that when I'm back. Put the birthday banner up and all the months, so I need to print off their birthdays and then I'm going to stick them on the months. And then this one, I've actually taken it all down because I've laminated them. I'm going to take them home, cut them out and then put them back up there. This one, I've put a banner up. Not too sure. I think I'm going to put some artwork on this one because this is going to be the creative area. I still need to sort out all the creative stuff, and I think I need some kind of drawers here so I can put some resources in there. And then my values display is here. Yeah, and then the roleplay area needs a lot of work. I printed off a banner that says welcome that I'm going to put in, but I actually ran out of border. Well, I had a little bit left, but it wasn't going to fit this one, so I need to get some more to do this one. Then I've obviously put the numbers up here, and I'm going to put the letters up. I'll probably put the letters up there. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. I really have no idea how long this is going to be, so hopefully there is enough footage to put in. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching it, and when I've finished I will definitely do a classroom tour, and I'm hoping to do a lot more teaching videos, so I'm going to probably do like a day in the life of a teacher and any other videos like that. So yeah, if you have any other ideas of videos, just put them in the comments, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love it if you gave this video a big thumbs up and subscribed. Thank you for watching. Bye!